Hello and good afternoon from Zakopane in Poland, just on the Slovakian border. Nobody's had an accident. They're all gathered here because we have stumbled across stage 6 of the Tour de Poland, and yes, there is the start line, and oh, there's some cars coming in now, look. So we're going to give you some footage. Here we go. It's all kicking off, and in true Motoroaming style, we brought the umbrella because it's raining. Damn rain. See you later. Bye.
Bye bye.
Hey up. Hey up. Something's happening. What's happening? There's another one. Oh, here we go. What's happening? This is supposed to be a cycle race. All we've seen is cars and motorbikes. I don't get it. Dowsty, what's going on, mate? Here they come, here they come. This is it, it's the big one. Is that it? That's not it, surely.
What's it?
I've waited all day for that. What, do we all go home now?
No, I think they do a lap, don't they? Here you go, quick, baby.
So there you have it. That was the start of stage 6 of the Tour de Pologne 2018 from Zakopane in Poland. I don't know what all the fuss was about because it's all over now. Anyway, I think there's more support cars than there are riders. I hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Bye. Bye.